Matter of Christian Gaskill versus Elizabeth Gaskill.
For the record, this matter is before the court this morning for a pretrial conference. The same is being conducted via Zoom. Present is the plaintiff attorney, Andrew Babnick Jr. However, none of the parties are present. Mr. Babnick, you're 15 minutes late. You're 18 minutes late. This matter was scheduled for 8:30 this morning. And reviewing the file, I noticed you filed a notice of hearing that a consent order would be entered on September 3rd, 2024. You can take that off. You know, the court has no control of that. But this court entered an order that you and the parties appeared at 8:30 this morning via Zoom for a pretrial conference. So once you get your client here in the next 15 minutes, the court's going to dismiss this complaint.
Your Honor, I apologize to the court because I never received the order. I would have appeared.
Hold on. Is your address 2723 South State Street, Suite 150, Ann Arbor, Michigan?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, it was not returned as being undeliverable. You need to check your mail.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Again, I did. If I would have received the notice, I would have been here. I'm so sorry for the court's time. And opposing the other party is a improper. I will get her immediately. Her I can reach. She is local. I will call my client. My client is in military overseas, and I will try to get him immediately, Your Honor.
Okay. Again, I don't have a phone number for Ms. Gaskill, but likewise, her notice. I got actually there's a phone number for her in her answer. Do you have her phone number?
I have her phone number, Your Honor. Yes, I do.
Okay. Why don't you call her, see if she can zoom in? We have people in the military zoom in from Europe all the time.
Understood, Your Honor.
Understand there'd be a time difference, and you say you never received your notice of his pretrial was mailed on July 10th.
No, Your Honor, again, I have absolutely nothing, and I apologize to this court. We would 100% been here. I thought after we set, the only thing I had was my notice of hearing after speaking with Chambers to coordinate the September 3rd date, so I apologize to this court. I in no way wanted to waste this court's time.
Obviously, your notice and our pretrial notice sort of obviously passed each other through the mail because we received your notice on July 15th, and we mailed out our notice on July 10th.
And I apologize because I spoke with Chambers to coordinate the date on July 11th based on my notes. So I wasn't aware at the time, and I apologize, Your Honor. Again, I'm very sorry for the wasting this court's time. These parties were in agreement on this order, and this should have run smoothly. So I apologize. I will immediately. I'm emailing my client as best I can. I cannot reach him by phone. He has no phone where he is. So I'm going to continue to try. I would ask if the court would be willing to simply give me a brief adjournment, and just in case. I don't want to see this dismissed with the parties in agreement. And if it's my office's fault for not receiving the communication and letting the parties know, that's on me. Because I would have.
First of all, the court's chambers have not set dates. That's the clerk's office. So we don't give out hearing dates. The clerk's office does.
Understood.
So in any event, I'll give you till 12 noon. I've got an evidentiary hearing. It's starting at 1:30 for the rest of the afternoon. So hopefully we'll see everyone back here before 12 noon this morning.
Your Honor, would you like us just to log back into the Zoom, or should I contact Chambers first?
Yes, a phone call just to let me know that the parties are zooming in at a certain time. That would be appreciated. I have a pretrial conference every 30 minutes this morning, and I've got to have the evidentiary hearing at 1:30.
Okay.
So
again,
hopefully we'll have everyone here before noon today.
Okay. I apologize again, Your Honor. Thank you for the courtesy.
All right. You're welcome.